So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly brush your 360 waves. So if you get any value out of this video, always be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into it. You need to be knowing how to brush the 360 waves the correct way. Yes, there is a correct way and there is a method that you should be following, and that's what I'm going to be giving to you. And all you would need is a mirror and a brush. What we looking like, man? I gave myself a little shape up. I tried to fade my joint. You feel me? Kind of folded it. How the waves is looking. Try to give me a nice little blend in the back. Hate the blend, man. I ain't a barber. I just be. But this is how we looking. Feel me? Waves looking tough. Looking tough. Looking tough. Brushwork don't lie, man. But when you're getting ready to brush your waves, you need to understand that there are 8 angles on your head that you need to be hitting while you're brushing. And this is why it's important to have the mirror. You're going to be in your bathroom or wherever you have a mirror, and you're going to use this mirror to see what's going on. You feel me? And then you need your brush, and you're going to hit your angles. And this is how wavers get them precise angles, and we know what's going on. So when you get into brushing, it is important to understand your 8 angles. And I'm going to go through and show you right now each and every single one of them angles. So 8 angles. You got your first angle over here. Hold on. Alright. So you got your first angle, which is your top. You got your second angle. Boom. You got your third angle. Boom. And then you got your fourth angle. Boom. Then you got your fifth angle. Boom. Then you got your sixth angle, your seventh angle, and your eighth angle. And that's all 8 angles, man. So when you're going for your brush session, this is exactly how you want it to be. You want to boom, 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 boom. You want to make sure you're doing it precise. So this is exactly how I would do an actual brush session. And repeat. But you're not just gonna like rush through like how I did obvious. For starters, especially if all around your waves is not really waved up, you wanna make sure you're taking some time on some of those areas. So my trouble areas, like right here, I spend a lot of time right here because I'm trying to smoothen that out. And as beginners, y'all are gonna realize that, developing your side waves is gonna be a little tough. So maybe when you start, you wanna work on, that side, so on and so forth, man. But the back has also always been a little tough for me as well. But this is why it's important to just always have your mirror and follow what's going on. When it comes to your brush sessions, dog, you don't have to spend crazy amount of hours brushing your waves. I guess the way to think about it is, if you do, the better. So the more hours you spend brushing, the more better your waves will be. You know what I'm saying? The more smooth they will look. But you know, when it comes to waving, a lot of people look at it and say, you know, it's a lot of brushing, bro. That's a lot of brushing. I don't want to be. So you know, sometimes just break it down. Even with me, when I first started, I was excessively brushing. I was putting in them hours, man, and the waves showed it. But you know, as time went on and I started doing other things, you know, I would just break it down. You know, I get 5 minutes in the morning. You know what I'm saying? 5 minutes in the afternoon, 5 minutes in the evening. You just gotta be smart with your brush session. It's not necessarily that you gotta spend 10 hours brushing or 5 hours brushing. Now, if you got that kind of time and you chilling and you doing it, go for it. Like, even when you're watching this video, I recommend you just grab a brush, get to brushing. Now, I don't recommend blind brushing, and blind brushing is brushing without the mirror, so you are just gonna be brushing like that. But I will say, hey man, if you out on the go and you brushing, you still getting it in, boom. I don't recommend it because you want to practice mirror brushing. And as you become elite with mirror brushing and you really feel like, you know, you understand your angles, then you could go on and blind brush. And that's the importance of understanding the 8 angles with your waves. It's not just about randomly brushing everything. Your waves are supposed to be all aligned, they're all supposed to be smooth, they're all supposed to start from your crown. And it's supposed to be wavy. They be like the ocean. You know what I'm saying? They're supposed to look at your waves and be like, that boy's swimming. You know what I'm saying? We almost there though. You see, brushwork don't lie, man. And that's all it really is to it, man. So, if you got any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments. And if you got any value out of this video, always be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to catch you on the next one. All right? We out.